So schizophrenia affects 1 out of 100 people um, between the ages of 15 and 35. 15-year-olds to 25-year-olds, they're mostly men. 25-year-olds to 35-year-olds is mostly women. Okay, these people have these muddled thoughts, changes in behavior. They have this flat effect. This flat effect meaning emotionalist, non-enthusiastic. I won't initiate anything. I don't care. Type of attitude, behavior. All right, flatness, emotional flatness. They go through depression. They hallucinate. And these are not like regular hallucinations, guys. These are, I hear somebody I'm hearing voices, right? I'm hearing things tell me things that to do certain things or to say certain things. I'm seeing certain things that other people can't see. So those type of delusions. Okay. Now 10% of these people, they will commit suicide. 10% of those. Now, as I'm saying, 1 out of 100 people, that's 1% in the United States. Now, I'm not even talking about worldwide either, guys. It's way more than that. I would just imagine the third world countries having a lot more of this. And this can be also environmental. Think about those countries that don't see the sun as much, right? The seasonal depression that happens when they don't see the sun. Those countries that don't, near the equator, they might not have as much as the depression or the schizophrenia. Okay, so just want to throw that in. But you can see this on the brain scan. You can see their thalamus changing. You can see the ventricles being a lot smaller. You can also see their prefrontal cortex being damaged. There are actual physical changes that are happening in the schizophrenic brain outside the normal brain. So this has been proven. You can check the research on that. I wanted to break some of the myths about them being violent. They're not really violent. You know, they would choose to be homeless and leave everybody else alone. They would choose to go off in their little room like my cousin did. You know, don't bother nobody. If they're trying to find substances like crack, which was the drug of the decade, right? My cousin, that's what he was searching for. They've had studies of those having LSD trips, having these type of episodes, but they will become violent if they have those substances. And the withdrawal and not being able to get to those drugs will cause them to be violent as well. So these are things that help comfort them, right? So types and characteristics. I wanted to let you guys know that you can go on YouTube to find all the types, all the characteristics, all the different mind hacks that they have for schizophrenia. All right, this is not for that. That's not what we focus on. We focus on healing the things that YouTube can't teach. Okay. All right. So I just want to give you some resonance behind the types and characteristics so that when you see these things on YouTube and you further your information, you'll be able to classify them in the same direction. And then you'll know these unknown causes that they're not talking about. All right. So most positive symptoms of schizophrenia and schizo